How to get started at the gym, a beginner's guide. All right, let's be honest, starting at the gym can feel like stepping into a whole new world. You've got all these machines you might not know how to use, people who look like they live there, and you're just trying to figure out where to start. But trust me, everyone feels that way at first. It's all part of the journey, and the most important thing is taking that first step. In this video, we're going to break down those barriers and give you a clear roadmap to crushing your fitness goals. We'll cover everything from setting the right goals to feeling confident walking through those gym doors. So get ready to ditch the intimidation and embrace the challenge. Let's get started. First things first, we need to establish your why. What's driving you to hit the gym? Maybe you want to drop a few pounds, pack on some muscle, or just feel more energized throughout the day. Whatever it is, write it down and be specific. Instead of saying, I want to get in shape, aim for something like, I want to be able to run 5 kilometers without stopping in 3 months. See the difference? That's the power of setting SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These bad boys give you a clear target and a deadline to work towards, which is key for staying motivated. Remember, this is your journey, and having that clear vision is going to fuel your fire every step of the way. Finding the right gym is like finding the right pair of training shoes. It needs to fit you perfectly. Think about what motivates you. Do you thrive in a high-energy environment with tons of equipment, or do you prefer a more intimate setting? Maybe a home gym setup is your jam. There's no right or wrong answer. It's all about finding your sweet spot. Location is another biggie. You don't want to be driving an hour each way just to get your sweat on. Find something close to home or work to make life easier. And here's a pro tip. A lot of gyms offer free trials. Take advantage of those. Test drive a few places before committing. It's all about finding the right fit for you. All right, let's talk gym etiquette. It's like being a good neighbor, but in a gym setting. The golden rule is simple. Treat the gym with respect and respect the people in it. Always, and I repeat, always wipe down the equipment after you use it. No one wants to sit in a puddle of your sweat. It's just good manners. Next up, re-rack your weights. Leaving dumbbells lying around is a recipe for someone tripping or getting injured. Plus, it keeps the gym organized, which benefits everyone. And lastly, be mindful of others. Share the equipment, don't hog machines, and avoid blocking walkways. A little bit of courtesy goes a long way in creating a positive and welcoming environment for everyone. Chapter 4. Start with a plan. Walking into the gym without a plan is like going to the grocery store hungry. You end up wandering around aimlessly, grabbing whatever looks good at the time. Not exactly a recipe for success, right? That's why having a workout plan is crucial. For beginners, I recommend starting with a full body routine 2 to 3 times a week. This helps you build a solid foundation and get used to the movements. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows. These target multiple muscle groups at once, giving you more bang for your buck. As you get stronger and more comfortable, you can start exploring different splits, which means targeting specific muscle groups on different days. The key is to have a plan and stick to it. Learn proper form and technique. Now, this is where things get serious. Proper form and technique are absolutely crucial, especially when you're starting out. Think of it like building a house. You need a strong foundation to support everything else. Mastering the basics like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows with perfect form is far more important than lifting heavy weights with sloppy technique. Start with lighter weights and focus on executing each movement with precision. Use the gym mirrors to check your form, or even better, ask a trainer for guidance. They're there to help. There are also tons of great tutorials online that break down each exercise step by step. Remember, it's better to start slow and build a solid foundation than to rush into things and risk getting injured. Chapter 6. Warm up and cool down. All right, time for a little pre-workout prep. Warming up is like switching your body from first gear straight into fifth. It's jarring and could cause some serious damage. Instead, ease into your workout with 5 to 10 minutes of dynamic stretching or light cardio. Think arm circles, leg swings, jumping jacks, anything to get your blood flowing and your muscles prepped for action. On the flip side, cooling down after your workout is just as important. This is your chance to wind down, stretch out your muscles, and prevent soreness. Spend another 5 to 10 minutes doing some static stretches, holding each pose for 20 to 30 seconds. Trust me, your body will thank you later. Let's talk about finding the perfect balance. Cardio and strength training are like two sides of the same coin, both essential for overall fitness. Cardio gets your heart pumping, improves endurance, and torches calories. Think running, swimming, biking, or even dancing, anything that gets you moving and your heart rate up. Strength training, on the other hand, builds muscle, boosts metabolism, and increases bone density. It's all about lifting weights, using resistance bands, or even just using your own body weight. The key is to find a balance that works for you and your goals. All right, we're nearing the finish line, but here's the secret sauce: consistency. You can have the best workout plan in the world, but if you're not showing up consistently, you're not going to see the results you're after. Aim for at least 3 to 4 workouts a week, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Something is always better than nothing. And here's another pro tip: track your progress. Use a workout journal, an app, or even just a simple spreadsheet to log your workouts, weights, and reps. Seeing how far you've come is incredibly motivating, and it helps you identify areas where you might need to adjust your plan. Last but not least, remember to listen to your body and give yourself grace. Pushing yourself is good, but overtraining can lead to injury and burnout. Rest days are just as important as workout days. They give your muscles time to repair and rebuild, making you stronger in the long run, and most importantly, stay positive. Fitness is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs, days when you crush your workout and days when you'd rather stay in bed. That's perfectly normal. Celebrate the victories, learn from the setbacks, and never lose sight of your goals. You've got this. That's a wrap. You're now armed with the knowledge and tools to conquer the gym like a pro. Remember, the most important step is the first one, so get out there, give it your all, and enjoy the journey. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and share this video with a friend who's just starting their fitness journey. Let's build a community of strong, confident individuals. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and motivation. See you in the next video.